Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you want to integrate your Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you will need just to connect here from the salesforce.com and then go to Marketing Cloud. But first, you will need to already have your Marketing Cloud license or have access to it here from Salesforce. To do so, you will need to go to your organization. So let's do it like that. And from there, you can go to Setup and then you will need to search for the cloud. So in the cloud settings, you will need to find cloud service, but you will need to have the enterprise license for your organization, and then you can enable it. And after that, all you need to do is to log in to the marketing cloud using your username, and that's it. So now we can discover more about the Marketing Cloud from this article. And from here, it will show us all the tools that you can start using in Salesforce marketing. So there is the email marketing, content creation, SMS, and many other more applications. So basically, when you go to marketing and you connect, you would find all these tabs or templates, etc. And basically, in the Marketing Cloud, you will have all these apps. So from here, there is the Email Studio, Mobile Studio, and all the other studio, which are builders. So basically, as you can see here, you can start building your journey, content, etc. And you can start monitoring all your resources from the advertising, social studio, etc. from these studios. So basically, that's it, the home page. And after that, you can go more and more with each other tool. So as you can see, for example, for the marketing cloud builders, you can start uh, create automation concerning the journeys or contact builder, which would manage data about contacts, which is also a builder, which means automations, etc. So basically, those are the features in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Thank you for watching and see you next time.